Hey guys, in this video we'll go on a hike to the awesome Red Canyon near Elat, and for a short sunrise hike on the Karakash Wadi Caldera. Our circular hike starts on the Red Trail. We'll take the Black Trail to the left into the Shani Wadi. This part of the trail is narrow and the fall is long. Watch your step. So we're out of the Shani Wadi. We'll turn left on the green trail into the Red Canyon.
You'll have to wake up early for this hike, about hour and a half before sunrise. The trail starts on the dirt road west to the Sapir kibbutz. Entrance to that road is to the left of the main kibbutz gate. Once parked, look for the blue and Israel National Trail signs. This is where we start. The trail starts with a climb. You might need to use your hands. Be careful while climbing at night.
So we're sitting in the middle of the caldera. This caldera is formed millions of years ago due to a magma block flowing out into the direction of the Dead Sea. This area is full with flintstones, sharp stones, I would say. We are sitting now looking east, waiting for the sun to rise.
The caldera is very big, about 1 kilometer in diameter, so at first it might be hard to comprehend you're actually walking in a caldera.